Hey, what's up, guys? So this Holtzman's tools. So if you decide to get a gift for somebody, this is a perfect gift. It comes in a nice box, very nice box. So let's get it open. It is a multi-tool pliers, 14 in 1. So it comes with pliers with all these tools. Okay, and it also comes with a Swiss knife, 13 in 1. It has knife, saw, all these other ones right here, can opener, bottle opener. Comes with a whole bunch of things, and it comes nice and packaged. So you can see it comes with a pouch, so you can put it on your belt or whichever you want to put it. Very nice leather one. It has their little logo on it. Very nice, very nice. So inside the package is a free gift. Follow the instructions on it. So you have, oh, it's pretty heavy. So you have the pliers, well built, very nice, very, very nice. So you can see it has their little logo there. It is well built. Very hard, heavy. Look at that. Everything is nice and smooth. Show you a little that side. So you have your fill up flat. You have your little scale or saw, little saw, the knife. So on this side, you have like a filer, can opener, bottle opener. You have a bigger flat head. Very nice. Very nice. Your plier, your wire cutter, and it's very smooth. So it's a very good quality. If you're looking for a tool like this goes right in here and it locks in and you put on your belt. Very nice. Very nice. Love it. I love the material. I usually you buy some of these and the material is very like plastically or is horrible, but this one's well built, very well, very nice. Okay, so let's get to the little one. Like I said, Swiss Army has one. This one feel like is a better quality. You have a wine opener. You can see all the different ones you have here. You have a fill up, little blade, nail filer. Very, very nice. Scissors. Little saw. Knife. So you also can put on your keychain. It's very well built. I love the material. So if you're looking for a very good set for a decent price, this is the one. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I will definitely be using this. Love it. And also the pretty good thing about this is it has like a safety. So, you know, when you open it and make believe you use it locks in. You use your can opener. It locks in, it stays very steady. And then when you're done using it, you have these little things right here. You open it up and you bring it down. Same thing with a filer. You're using it, does not close on you. Press this and you close it. So it's like a little safety right here. Awesome, awesome, well built. Very, very good. Here we click. Bring it down. You're good to go. Awesome.